Whoa! What are you doing?
I got bored, so I started slapping you.
Uh-oh.
Young man, you're coming home with me this minute.
All right, finally a real home.
Not you, Bart.
Oh, see you later, killer.
Killer? Why did he call you killer?
Mom, you were right. Nelson is bad news. Can we go home?
What are you hiding there?
Nothing.
What are those cats doing behind you?
Cats like me? Get off! Get off!
Bart, did you kill that poor bird?
I didn't mean to, Mom. The gun pulled to the left.
You disobeyed me, snuck over here, and murdered a helpless animal?
I know. I really screwed up. I deserve to be punished.
What's the point, Bart? I punish, and I punish, and I punish, but it never sinks in. So you know what? Do what you want. You want to play with little hoodlums? Fine. Have fun killing things.
Mom, wait! Oh my God. Hi, little eggs. I'm not sure how to tell you this, but your mom was involved in an incident. Mistakes were made. By me. But don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Hi, I'm Troy McClure. You may remember me from such nature films as Earwigs, Ooh, and Man vs. Nature, The Road to Victory. In all the animal kingdom, no mother is more devoted than the blue jay. Valuing her eggs above even her own life, the mother bird bravely fights off such fearsome predators as the badger and the mongoose. Of course, one thing Mother Blue Jay can't defend against is a set of steel tongs. Eggs, precious eggs. If they're to survive, they require the gentle warmth and tender love that only a mother can provide. Or better yet, a 75-watt bulb. Oh, hello. In a few days, our eggs will hatch into nestlings like these over here.
They look awfully hungry, Mr. McClure.
They sure are, Billy. In nature, their mother would regurgitate food for them to eat.
That's gross.
It sure is, Billy. It sure is.
You've checked this Bible out every weekend for the last 9 years. Wouldn't it be easier to just buy one?
Perhaps on a librarian's salary.
Hey, fellas, good news. I found an extra 75-watt bulb lying around. Check it out, guys. I've been working on this regurgitation thing. Oh, yeah. Hope you like Pop-Tarts. I think I'll call you Chirpy Boy. And you, Bart Jr. And you can call me Mother. No, wait, that sounds kind of fruity. Just call me Mom.